Is it really possible for us to get paid $29 every time we upload a document to a special website? Well, after 22 months of blood, sweat, and tears, we've accomplished exactly this. Introducing Docu Profits. We've discovered a little-known, hidden in plain sight website that's paying us $29 every time we upload a document. And the best part is, you don't need to write a single word. All we have to do is upload documents that are available on this special website, and we get paid $29 every time we do it. Yes, it really is that simple. And I know $29 may seem like a small amount of money, but it quickly snowballs into a large amount of online earnings. Let's do some math. If we upload 5 documents, we make $145. If we upload 10 documents, we make $290. If we upload 20 documents, we make $580. And if we upload 50 documents, that makes us a whopping $1,450. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is upload documents that are on this special site. And we're paid $29 each time we do it. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your Docu Profits account. Hurry, do this now as we'll be closing our doors soon to any new users. Step 2. Download a series of documents that'll be given to you. And Step 3. Upload the documents you've just downloaded to the special site. This is the most important part, and it's what pays us $29 every time we upload a document. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is that darn simple. Sometimes good things in life are easy like that, and Docu Profits is definitely one of them. Now, one thing I cannot stress enough is that you don't need to write a single word in these documents yourself. After all, who wants to do that? Boring. Instead, the documents are given to you, so you won't have to write a word. Think of yourself as a delivery man, but instead of delivering boxes to houses, you're delivering documents online. That's what you're getting paid for. Now, at this point, you likely have an interest in Docu Profits, but you're likely wondering how much it's going to cost you. It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, here's the deal. After we were done developing Docu Profits, we thought of charging $297 monthly for access. And this would be a very fair price. After all, Docu Profits pays us $29 every time we upload documents, so it would quickly pay for itself. But we get it, $297 monthly is a lot to commit to. Perhaps you've been burned before, and I understand if you're skeptical with all the BS floating around. So I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you $297 per month, I'm going to offer Docu Profits at a low, one-time price that anyone can afford. This will ensure that everyone has a fair shot of making money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. However, there is a catch. Indeed, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for this special discount, you cannot delay. You must act now. That's because we'll only be offering this discount to a limited number of customers. Once all the spots are taken up, the doors will be closed. And if you know us, we don't mess around with that fake scarcity bullcrap. When I say something, I mean it. So if you come back later, you could lose your spot. Why risk that when you could have acted right now? And speaking of risk, there is none. You're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. It's quite simple. If you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we will refund every penny of your money without hesitation. Because if we haven't delivered you value, we don't deserve your money. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose. The best thing for you to do for you and your wallet is to click the button below right now and get your hands on Docu Profits at the lowest price. This is a decision that will quickly pay for itself. So take the plunge, click the button below and secure access to Docu Profits. We'll see you on the inside.
The world's first system that pays us for uploading files online. Exposed. This secret website pays us $29 over and over. For uploading documents. No writing. No traffic needed. No extra expenses. The more we upload, the more $29 payments we get. Literally one click easy, just hit upload and you're done. Zero traffic needed to profit. Dead simple, no experience required. Absolutely no extra expenses involved. No selling, but we still get paid. 30-day money-back guarantee. Free gift. First 150 buyers also get Docu Profits VIP Triple Your Income Deluxe Edition minus 100% free. Get Docu Profits at a one-time price. $297 monthly. Pay just $19 once and use forever. Get instant access right now. Look. Every time I hit upload, I get paid $29. Take a close look at this screenshot below. Yes, you're looking at a string of $29 payments. These come in over and over again on a daily basis. And all we have to do is upload documents that are given to us. The best part about this all? We don't need to write a single word. So you don't have to slave away at your desk typing. The documents are given to us, and we simply upload them. And get paid $29 each time we do it. Yup, it really is that simple. You're just 3 steps away from earning $29 payments over and single quote over with Docu Profits. Step #1. Access. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your Docu Profits account. Hurry, do this now as we'll be closing our doors soon to any new users. Step number 2. Download. Download the documents given to you. Super easy, takes just 1 click. Step number 3. Upload. Upload the documents and get paid $29 over and over. The more we upload, the more we make. Love from the users of Docu Profit. You have put together something awesome, Carolyn. Took it out for a spin and I made $232 on the first day. Quite impressive. Docu Profits verified user. Natalie B. Stay-at-home mom. Docu Profits verified user. Jason H. Painter. This is a wonderful and easy way to make some extra money on the side. Only 2 hours in and I've profited $80.87. Get Docu Profits at a one-time price. $297 monthly, pay just $19 once and use forever. Dear struggling friend, it's nearly 2022. But with all the time that's gone by, are you happy with your current situation? Or are you still struggling to make money online? Are you starting to feel like 2021 is yet another wasted year? If that's the case, I understand your frustration. I know you're fed up with the bees. Tired of buying new products. Tired stand waiting for results. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. Hi there, it's Carolyn Willie's location, Nashville, Tennessee, USA. How this little-known website pays me $29 over and single quote over for uploading simple documents. Before we dive deep into the details, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Carolyn, and I'm a proud stay-at-home mom with 3 handsome sons and a husband in the state of Tennessee. I'm not an internet millionaire. I'm not a tech wizard. In fact, I barely graduated high school. Yet I went against the odds, and I'm currently generating a comfortable income of $300-500 daily online. I'm guessing that money would help you, right? If you answered yes, then pay close attention to every single letter on this page. Now you see, things weren't always so bright. Just 12 months ago, I was broke as a joke. It's more than embarrassing to admit. I was in a bad spot to say the least. As the days went by, our financial problems would only get worse. Our credit card debt skyrocketed. We fell behind on mortgage payments. Electricity was nearly shut off. The cherry on top? Our only car was taken by the repo man. I hate to be dramatic and all, but that's exactly what my life was. Filled with drama. And I was sickened by it. We were barely scraping by with my husband's low-paying job. My husband is a great man, and I couldn't ask God for a better companion in life. But unfortunately, his company laid him off due to a buyout. And he was forced to put up with a far lower-paying job. Desperately needed more money to take care of my sons. So while my husband would work day and night, I decided to take matters into my own hands. Because we were in dire need of money. If something wasn't done, the consequences would be severe. So I looked up to the internet to make money online. I tried nearly everything under the sun. Surveys, affiliate marketing, commerce, social media, high-ticket sales. I could go on and on. You name it. And I often tried these methods more than once. But unfortunately, not a single thing made me money. I failed. My efforts fell flat on my face. After all the time, effort, and money I put in. I had nothing to show for it, but $0 single quotes. I'm sure you can relate to that, right? You know, where you log into your online earnings account, but it's always stuck at $0. There's no debate that it's beyond frustrating. I couldn't stand constantly getting scammed. I was tricked into buying bulk crap more times than I can count. And although it's embarrassing to admit, it was my reality. I was tricked, conned, fooled, bamboozled. I despised those blood-sucking scum gurus. Here I was already broke, and they wanted to squeeze every cent from me. My time and money was being flushed down the drain. There's nothing worse than being swindled. And not only was I losing the little money I had, my time was being wasted, which I couldn't get back. Time I could have spent with my husband. Time I could have spent with my sons. Time I could have spent with my friends. It was beyond infuriating. I was frustrated. And frankly, I was hopeless. With my time and little resources being lost, I was starting to lose hope. I was fed up. And more than frustrated with myself. I couldn't stand losing money, losing time, losing hope. I just wanted to skip all the bulk crap and start making money. I didn't even need $1 million, just a comfortable income. And I was getting desperate for online success. I was becoming impatient. As the days went by, I craved results more than ever before. You could say I was desperate because I was. However, I didn't give up. I was determined to succeed no matter what. And you know what? I finally started making money online. My first day making profits. It wasn't much, but I couldn't hold back my excitement. I actually made money online for the first time. My second day making profits. Getting better. My third day making profits. Not a bad day. My fourth day making profits. Even better. My fifth day making profits. Now that's more like it. I felt like I was on top of the world. With my newfound success, it was one of the best feelings on earth. My hard work and waiting finally paid off. I was beaming with excitement and energy. Because I could finally help my family, pay off my bills, live debt-free, traveled the world, and my husband didn't need his job anymore. So that meant more time with him and the kids. My secret to success? A weird untouched website. While I was looking for ways to make money online, I stumbled upon a website that virtually nobody else is using. But those who are using it are making a killing. Making thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. It's all possible by milking this relatively unknown website.